Good morning everyone! Thank you for all the greetings and video greetings. Salamat sa effort sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay po kayo. Salamat!
Hi, it's Ayechi, Mama Joanne. Happy birthday. I miss you. Sana magkita tayo ulit. And looking forward na makasama ulit sila sa work. God bless you. I love you. Hi! This is Alexa Janisha. At syempre pinabati ko ng happy birthday si Mama Joanne from Dubai. At syempre ang wish ko sa'yo ay hindi ka matero-tero at maging 1-0-0 ang iyong score sa buhay. Happy birthday!
Hi Mama Joanne! Happy birthday! Wishing you good health and more blessings in life. I love you Ma and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, love you!
Hi, Mami Joanne Doniel! Happy birthday sa'yo. Alam mo, Mami, ang swerte-swerte mo. Kasi yung birthday mo ay tumapat sa mismong kaarawan mo. Bibihira yun, Mami, ha? Hope to see you soon. Nung bumalik kami sa Dubai, hindi tayo nagkita. Pero sana sa pagbalik ulit sa Dubai, magkita ulit tayo. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, me!
Hello, Mami D, ang Mami D ng Dubai, ang tunay na umaasenso. Happiest birthday! Stay happy and healthy. At sana magkita ulit tayo. I miss you so much!
Day, Tita One. Ingat ka po dyan palagi. Always have a good luck. I love you po. I miss you. Ingat ka po dyan.
Happy birthday, Tita One. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan sa Dubai. Bye-bye.
Saying hi to Janelle Cordon. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your very special day and God bless.
Happy birthday po, Sir Janelle Cordon. Hope to meet you soon and may hope ang birthday is to come and enjoy your day. Happy birthday! And regards to Sir Kaba. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa'yo, Jonel Cordon. Ingat palagi. More birthdays to come. And stay pretty. Love you, friend.
Hello po kay Jonel Cordon. Happy birthday po. Baka naman may pa-Shanghai ka dyan. Padala mo na lang dito. Yan, thank you so much for the support. And ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health. And sana po next birthday nyo makuha nyo na po ako. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat po. At dahil birthday nyo po ngayon, kakantahan ko po kayo ng And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love, so let me go. I must be free.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Jonel Cordon. Stay safe, stay healthy always. God bless you. Focus lang sa career, kung ano man yung tinatahak mo. Dahil napakaswerte mong tao, dahil tumapat ang kaarawan mo sa mismong birthday mo. Kaya happy birthday! Enjoy!
Hi, ito si Petit! At syempre hindi ko pwede palampasin, hindi mabate ng maligayang karawan si Jonel Cordon. Ayan. So, this is your day. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. And stay gorgeous always, as you are. I'll see you soon. Love you.
Hi, Bekle. Happy birthday. Umuwi ka na kasi magko-concert ang Sex Bomb Girls para meron naman akong taga-sigaw. Uwi na. Mag-awol ka dyan sa work mo. See you soon. I love you, Bex. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Get out. This is Mama Wern.
Hello, Jonel Cordon. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ito si Romel Chica na bumabati sa'yo. Sana maging happy ang birthday mo at lagi ka sanang malusog. Stay healthy, kapatid. And God bless you always. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ganon.
Happy birthday kay Johan Jonel Hachanova Cordon. Kilala mo ba ako? Yes, this is Inday Garutay. Maligayang bati sa'yo. God bless you more. Good health. Miss na kita. Miss ko na ang Dubai. Ayan. Miss ko na mga kabaitan na pinapakita mo pag nandiyan ako sa Dubai. I'm going to see you soon. Mama Joanne. Ayan. Love you.
Hi, Jonel Cordon. Jonel Cordon, happy birthday sa'yo, ha? Alam mo, mahal na mahal ka ni Kuya Roel Caba, si Kabsat. Kasi sabi niya, ganun, batiin mo nga yung friend ko na si Jonel Cordon. Naku, rare na makakahanap ka ng mga ganyang kaibigan. Jonel Cordon, happy birthday sa'yo. And may you have many more birthdays to come. At saka ako, ang prayer ko sa'yo, of course, good health. Tapos pangalawa, ay makilala mo si Jesus bilang iyong Lord and Savior. Kasi you will never go wrong when you go to Jesus. God bless you. Have a blast. Enjoy your fruitful birthday. This is Ellen Adarna. Charot!
Hello, Joan Cordon. Si Miko ito na ito. Sana ay maging happy ka sa birthday mo. Good health. Sana meet kita soon. God bless.
Hello po, ito po si Pipita Curtis at binabati ko po ng happy birthday si Miss Joan Cordon. All the way from Middle East. Naku, mag-enjoy po kayo dyan at sana po makabalik na kayo ng Pilipinas para naman makapiling yung iyong pamilya. Pero syempre, papasahin namin kayo dahil pupunta po kami dyan sa 2030. Ha? See you po.
Oh my God, Joan Cordon! Kung hindi pa binalita sa akin, hindi ko malalaman na birthday mo pala. Anyway, it's so sad kasi you're far away, pero celebrating your birthday, andito na lang kami, makiki-birthday na lang kami through spirit. Kaya naman ang kasiyahan at magandang buhay at magandang kalusugan, yan ang wish ko para sa'yo. Ngayon, kakain ako para hindi nang ikaw mag-so. Pwede ba yun? Happy birthday!
Hello, Ate Joan Cordon. I miss you so much. Pero hindi yan talaga ang goal ko. Ang goal ko ngayon ay batiin ka ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana ay ma-enjoy mo ang birthday mo kasi deserve mo yan. Alam namin kung gaano kalinis ang puso mo at kabuti mong tao. Kaya naman, deserve mo maging happy lalo na today. I love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Jonel Cordon! See you soon po. Enjoy your birthday, Jonel Cordon. Si Jonel Cordon.
Happy fiesta.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi, Jonel Cordon. Jennifer Lee here to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Always take care and God bless. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, we are the Masculados. Happy birthday, Jonel Cordon. Wish you all the best.
Wishing you more birthdays to come.
Enjoy your special day.
God bless!
Panalo!
Hi, Joan. Si Bradley also na siya. Pinabati kita ng happy birthday. God bless you. Stay safe. Enjoy your day.